Good evening everyone. It's 9 PM on a Saturday night. I'm waiting at the old Bukit Timah fire station for Meng Shen. Our plan today is to check out NTU and its infamous slopes that I've heard about. Good weather today, but I'm already sweating like mad after a few minutes of cycling. But it's good exercise. Here he comes. Hello.
Hey.
Good evening.
I came out and I realized I didn't bring water.
Oh,
I totally forgot.
wow.
Okay.
So we cycle all the way to junction 10. Before junction 10 we turn left.
Before, yeah, okay.
Let's go. Wait. Reach NTU. We are NTU because this guy wants to see a beehive.
It's an Instagram thing.
Okay.
All for the gram.
Wow. Alright. Get your ass.
Hell, not wearing underwear.
Are you serious?
You told me not to wear one.
I only said I thought we're so. I didn't say anything, yeah? I'm still wearing my underwear.
I'm cooling without underwear.
Oh, okay. Prove it. Prove that you're not wearing underwear. Where is the beehive? I think somewhere here.
We are here.
Oh, there. Yeah, yes. Okay. West Coast Road. Now heading towards the east. It's now 12 midnight. Waiting for Mingxuan at a bus stop along Alexandra Road. I think we are near the end of our ride. All good?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, you go first. Oh yeah. Next time. Okay, be safe. Bye-bye. So this is the end of our ride tonight. It's 12:30 a.m. and we cycled about 50 clicks plus. I think I'm gonna have a good sleep tonight. See you. Bye-bye.